Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add logo to your video in Canva. So first you have to open your video. Once you are in, then you have to go on the left panel. Here you will see the elements option. Once you click on that, you have to search here for logo and you will see there are lots of logos available. If you click on graphic, there are so many logos available for free, and if you have Canva Pro, so you can use the Pro available. Now I'm choosing this logo right here which I used recently. So now we have to just resize it and move it wherever we want. For example, I'm moving it to the top right side of the video. Now if you want to change this transparency, so click on this and you can reduce the transparency of your logo. As you can see here, our logo is light in color now. If you want to give any animation, so just click on the animate button and you will see there are lots of animations available. Finally, hit on the play button to preview it, and once you are happy with this, click on the share button to download it, and that's it. Your Canva video is ready with your logo perfectly added. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.